Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best clarinet case is probably one of the most important accessories for any clarinet player. It's not just a container, it's a guardian for your valuable instrument. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of clarinet cases, exploring various options to help you find the perfect one to protect your clarinet and make your life easier. Number 5. Mendini B-flat Clarinet for Beginner. This clarinet is crafted from high-quality ABS material, ensuring a smooth and durable experience. The nickel-plated keys offer both sturdiness and comfortable playability. It's designed to provide a bright and stable tone. The B-flat clarinet features a sleek design with nickel-plated keys and a bakelite body. The smooth mouthpiece is designed for easy playing and lip protection. The ring-wrapped bell mouth provides accurate articulation and a fuller tone. With two barrels, this clarinet allows you to adjust the sound, ensuring a pure and rich tone. The 17 responsive keys make it easy to play, perfect for beginners to create beautiful melodies. The set includes everything you need: a green clarinet, mouthpiece, reeds, barrels, case, stand, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a student, this complete set ensures you can start playing right away. Each clarinet undergoes rigorous testing at the Mendini factory and local warehouse. They offer a variety of colors and are ready to assist with any questions or support you may need. What we like. This clarinet is designed with beginners in mind, featuring easy-to-play keys and a rich tone. It comes with everything you need to get started, including reeds, a stand, and a mouthpiece. If you're just starting your clarinet journey and want a colorful instrument, this is a great choice. What people say. The case has plenty of space and comes with a lot of great items. This feels like a decent, solid instrument to play. I think that most people will want to immediately replace the mouthpiece. The one that ships with this instrument is cheap garbage. Number 4. Protec Max BB Clarinet Case, MX307PR, Purple. This case is made with materials tested to be free of harmful substances. You can rest assured knowing that it's made with your health and the environment in mind. It's a responsible choice for your clarinet. The exterior is crafted from rugged 600D nylon, providing a tough shield for your instrument. Inside, an EPS foam frame offers lightweight, rigid, and shock-resistant protection. This ensures your clarinet stays safe from impacts. It features a main handle made of durable rope with reinforced stitching and a comfortable padded wrap. The case also includes adjustable shoulder straps with strong, lightweight clips. These can be converted into backpack straps for easy carrying. The case is equipped with strong, high-quality, custom-designed zippers. A quick-lock hook and loop closure allows you to securely shut the empty case without zippering. There's also a large front pocket for accessories. The interior is lined with durable, non-abrasive, and breathable velour. A small compartment is included to fit an extra barrel or other small accessories. This ensures your clarinet is cradled in a safe and gentle environment. What we like. This case is built to last, using rugged materials and a shock-resistant frame. It offers multiple carrying options, making it easy to transport your instrument. If you're looking for a case that can withstand the rigors of daily use and provide excellent protection, you should consider this one. What people say. Well-made case to replace a worn or damaged clarinet case. Plenty of extra storage in the exterior zippered pockets. Holds the clarinet securely in place. This is a great clarinet case. Much better than the description entails. For those of you looking around for a nice casual clarinet case, this is a pretty great one. Upon ordering it, I had to search around for a picture of the inside, because I wasn't quite sure if this was an actual case or a cover for a case. This is an actual case. The largest compartment has two zippers for easy open and inside is molded and fuzzy, a nice snug fit for a clarinet. The outside has a pretty roomy zippered pocket, big enough to hold reeds and cleaning accessories and then some. Outside of that pocket is a smaller one, perfect for a single reed case. A shoulder strap and nice ID tag came with it too. The shoulder strap is optional, it does have nice handles and quite a few closures around the handles to keep everything safe and secure. The outside fabric is a nice, thick canvas. I am trying to teach myself the clarinet and the case mine came in is small with no room for anything. I read the reviews and decided to try this case. I'm glad I did, it's wonderful. I had room for everything, and when I get my reed case I'll have room for that too. It is well made, and the bigger zipper pulls make it very easy to open and close. It has 2 staples for shoulder use and a double Velcro closing across the zipper pulls and over the handles. This case isn't going to pop open. Number 3. Protec BB Clarinet Pro Pack Case PB307CA. This case is designed to fit most BB clarinet makes and models. It features an impact-resistant mold lined with soft lining, protecting your clarinet from damage. It includes a hidden sheet music compartment and 2 interior compartments for accessories. This allows you to keep everything organized and easily accessible. The case is built with a tough wood shell frame covered in weather-resistant 1680 ballistic nylon. It's designed to withstand the rigors of travel and daily use. It has a dual-corded handle with a padded wrap and a subway handle for easy carrying. The quick lock feature allows you to securely shut the case without zippering. Rubber runners protect the corners and zipper tape from impacts, and durable molded rubber feet provide stability. The case also has long-lasting custom metal zippers. It includes a thickly padded adjustable shoulder strap and a luggage ID tag. You can also make it backpackable with an optional backpack strap, sold separately. What we like. This case has a dedicated compartment for sheet music, keeping everything organized. It's made with durable materials and features multiple compartments for accessories. If you need to carry sheet music and accessories with your clarinet, this case is perfect for you. What people say. It certainly has plenty of room for an additional barrel and mouthpiece setup to be kept inside the case. It is a little bit heavier than I expected, but this has the advantage that you can assemble the clarinet with the case in your lap. I can easily store my clarinet, spare mouthpiece barrel, reeds, tools, repertoire, and more in the one case. Number 2. Gator Case's GL-CLARINET-A Clarinet Case. This clarinet case is designed to be lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It's perfect for students and musicians on the go, providing excellent protection without the bulk. The case features a rigid nylon exterior, ensuring the instrument is well protected from bumps and scratches. The interlocking rubberized carry handle adds extra durability and grip. It comes with a removable, no-slip rubber shoulder strap. The reinforced D-rings and clips provide a secure and comfortable way to transport the instrument. The case includes spacious front and back accessory pockets. This provides plenty of room for storing music, reeds, and other essential items. Inside, the case has a plush-covered, dense EPS foam interior. It also includes internal mouthpiece holders, ensuring the instrument and its parts stay safe and secure. This case is specifically designed for student-sized instruments. It's the ideal choice for young musicians needing a reliable and protective case. What we like. This case is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It also features spacious pockets for accessories and a removable shoulder strap. If you prioritize portability and convenience, this case is a great option. What people say. It fits the trumpet, the mute, some cleaning supplies and some sheet music for his class. It is fitted so each sax piece fits snugly in a soft insert. Lightweight yet sturdy. It rained and sax didn't get wet. Pockets on side for extra items. Number 1. Protec BB Clarinet Slimline Pro Pack Case PB307. This case is made with materials tested to be free of harmful substances. It's designed with your health and the environment in mind. You can trust the quality and safety of this product. The exterior is made of durable 1680 ballistic nylon, built to withstand the elements. A shock-absorbing frame and zigzag stitching provide extra protection. This case keeps your instrument safe. It comes with a shoulder strap that has a non-slip pad and strong metal clips. There's also a large zippered pocket for storing accessories. Carrying your instrument is now easier than ever. The case features sturdy rubber feet and high-quality metal hardware. These components are built to last, ensuring the case's longevity. It's a reliable choice for musicians. Inside, the case is lined with breathable, non-abrasive padded velvet. A small compartment is available for an extra barrel or other small accessories. It provides excellent protection for your instrument. What we like. This case offers excellent protection with its weather-resistant exterior and shock-absorbing frame. It has a slim design, making it easy to carry. If you want a compact, protective case that can withstand various conditions, this is a great choice. What people say. The Clarinet fits perfectly in the velvet-covered slots inside the case. There is plenty of room in the zipper outside pouch for all accessories. The case fits the Clarinet perfectly, and has a lot of room in the pocket on the outside. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.